Welcome to the BDA Takeaway. It's week 9 of the Washington stay-at-home order, and since day 1, grocery stores have served as a reliable, essential resource. So, how have they handled the crisis? We asked our regional supermarket chain, QFC, to share what we need to know.
I'm Tiffany Sanders. I'm the Corporate Affairs Manager with QFC. Life changed drastically for our 6,000 plus associates in early March. From the onset of this pandemic, we suddenly found our stores located in the epicenter of this event. And from that first day until now, we've had one driving force when we make all our decisions: the health and safety of our customers and our associates. Let's head into one of our stores now and we'll see some of the things that we've done to help keep people safe. As customers enter our store, our goal is to get them in and out as quick as possible in hopes to limit any risk of exposure. We're doing this in several ways. First, we adjusted our store hours when this all first started. That was so that we could give our associates time to rest, to sanitize the store, as well as restock the shelves. Also, one of the first things we did was provide special hours for seniors and people at-risk groups to have time to shop where the store is not as busy. You'll also notice as you walk throughout our store that there's increased signage. We are hoping to promote social distancing by putting decals on the floor as well as signs at the door. One of the first things we did as well was to install plexiglass barriers at every check stand. This provides an added layer of protection for our cashiers as well as our customers. We also worked very hard at securing PPE for all of our associates. We now have a clean mask for every associate at the beginning of every shift. We also provide gloves and frequent breaks to wash hands and to clean their workspace. One thing you'll notice at QFC is that we have one-way aisles. This is just an added way that we're hoping to limit any exposure between customers. It's taken some extra training and some frequent reminders, but we're hopeful that people will continue to appreciate this added layer of protection. You'll also notice as you walk into your local QFC that we have dedicated people who are cleaning the carts and making sure that each cart is sanitized as the customer goes to do their grocery shopping. We also have enforced a store capacity limit. In the midst of this pandemic, we decided to lower our store capacity to 50%. We're also using our special Q Vision technology, which uses infrared technology to keep track of how many people are coming in and out of the store so that we can keep our capacity at 50%. We've noticed some interesting changes in customer behavior as you walk through a grocery store these days. Your neighborhood QFC used to be a place where neighbors met and ran into each other and stopped to chat for a while. That's no longer the case, as many people are actually avoiding each other in hopes to get in and out very quickly. Early on in early March, we noticed some stockpiling going on with customers as they filled up their baskets, preparing for what they were expecting with this quarantine. What was surprising to many people was that this went on for months. In fact, I talked to one store manager who said in his 43 years of working in the grocery business, he had never seen it this busy. Normally, we would see a busy weekend, maybe if there was a snowstorm in the forecast, but this has gone on for months. So it has been a challenge for our associates to keep up with the added customer presence and restocking the shelves. We're happy to say that the supply chain has been running really smoothly throughout this pandemic. We've noticed some holes at times as customers tend to stockpile. Early on, it was paper products and cleaning products like toilet paper and hand soap. Then we saw it move on to flour and baking items. Even yeast was hard to find for a while. Now we're noticing, or we're hearing from our associates, that people are really going for the hair products. I think people are tired of not being able to get their hair cut and colored, and so people are trying to do it on their own at home. We're so proud of each and every QFC associate. Many people who went to work years ago or months ago for a grocery store never imagined that they would be working on the front lines of a pandemic, yet that's where they find themselves. And we are proud to see how hard they've worked. They come to work with a smile on, even if you can't see it underneath the mask. They continue to work hard, and we've tried to reward that throughout the past months with bonuses and hero pay, as well as offering paid medical leave for people affected by COVID-19. If the community is wondering how they can help out their local QFC or grocery store associates, first and foremost, if you're not feeling well, please stay home. We also ask that you send just one person from your household to do your grocery shopping to limit the number of people in the stores. We also ask that when you shop, make sure that you're wearing a mask and make sure that you follow all of the social distance guidelines. To summarize, we truly appreciate all of our QFC customers and our associates. This has been a unique time that has been changing day by day, and we're doing our best to adapt. And we will continue as we move forward to make sure that our customers and our associates are healthy and safe.
This has been the BDA Takeaway. Thank you to our supporters, Heritage Bank, Kaiser Permanente, Puget Sound Energy, and Vulcan Real Estate. The Takeaway was produced by the BDA, aka Bellevue Downtown Association, a nonprofit membership organization committed to strengthening the economic and cultural vitality of downtown Bellevue. And with the Takeaway, share bits of information to help us tackle these trying times.